Welcome everyone. We have a word problem here and it reads, Demba is 3 times as old as Kemba. 4 years ago, he was 5 times as old as Kemba. When will the sum of their ages be 64? How do we attempt such a problem? Solution. Let's first analyze the first statement given in the question. It says Demba is 3 times as old as Kemba. So which means this is the current situation, right? Demba is 3 times as old as Kemba. Now we can say currently let the age of Kemba be X. So it means Demba's age is equal to 3 times X, right? 3 times X because Demba is 3 times as old as Kemba, and that will give us 3X. All right? Then we can move on to the second statement, which reads, 4 years ago, he was 5 times as old as Kemba. So the question is still referring to Demba. So it means that 4 years ago, Demba was 5 times as old as Kemba. Now, how do we go back to the past? If this is their current ages, Kemba is X, Demba is 3X. So 4 years ago means that 4 years will be subtracted from their current ages, right? Now, it makes sense. If I am 20 years now, 4 years ago, I will be 16, right? If you are 10 years now, 4 years ago, you would have been 6. So which means to go back 4 years from now, we have to subtract 4 years from their current ages. 4 years ago, what will be Kemba's age? Kemba's age would be the current age minus 4. And what of Demba's age? Demba's age would be 3x minus 4. But what did it say about 4 years ago? It says that Demba was 5 times older than Kemba, right? So what that means is if you compare their ages, Demba is 3x minus 4. When you compare it to Kemba's age, which is x minus 4, it will be 5. What that means is Demba is 5 times as old as Kemba. So that is, let's say if at all you say divide by 1, meaning if Kemba's age is 1, Demba's age will be 5 times, right? So that is the common sense there. So if we move on solving the problem, what will that be? We're going to have 3x minus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 4. 3 times x is 3x minus 4 is equal to 5 times x is 5x minus 5 times 4 is 20. Moving on, we can collect like terms. 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 20 plus 4, right? So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x is equal to minus 20 plus 4 is minus 16. The negative signs will cancel. So 2x is equal to 16. To find x, we divide both sides by 2. then what do we have? X is equal to 8 years. It means, who is X? Kemba is X, right? Kemba is X, meaning currently Kemba is 8 years old. If Kemba is 8 years old, then Demba's age will be 3 times 8 will be 24, right? So moving back, then we can answer the question as Kemba's current age is equal to 8 years old. Therefore, Demba's current age is 3x. So that will be 3 times 8. What that means is 24 years old, right? Now, to answer the question which says, when will the sum of their ages be 64? This is asking about the future, meaning from now, when will the sum of their ages be 64? Let the age from now be n, right? So which means in n years, Kemba's age would be 8 plus n, while Demba's age would be 24 plus n in the future, right? So it means 8 plus n plus 24 plus n will be 64. This will tell us at what age in the future will the sum of their ages be 64. That is 8 plus n plus 24 plus n is equal to 64. 8 plus 24 gives 32 plus n is 2n is equal to 64. So 2n is equal to 64 minus 32. 2n is equal to 32. So to find n, divide both sides by 2, both sides by 2. N is equal to 16 years. So it means 16 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 64. All right? Now, to prove whether our answer is correct or wrong, we said that Demba is what? Is currently 24 years. Kemba is currently 8 years. So 4 years ago, what would be Demba's age? 4 years ago, Demba's age would be 20, right? 20 years. So what about Kemba's age? Kemba's age would be 4 years. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So which means 4 years ago, Demba was 5 times older than Kemba. So it means that we got it correct, right? And 16 years from now, what is Demba's age? That will be 24 plus 16 is 40 years. That is for Demba. But what of Kemba? Kemba's age is now 8. So 16 years from now, 8 plus 16 will give you 24 years. If you add 40 and 24, then you will have 64 years. So which means we have answered the question correctly. That is all for today. See you soon in our next video. If this is the first time of visiting this channel, please like, subscribe, and share our videos.